Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into something that's so important when you're settling into a new house. Those first impressions. We all know that fresh, clean feeling when you walk into a home, and sometimes you need a little help getting there. It's not always about major renovations, it's about tackling those little details that make a big difference. One thing that can really stand out is a lingering smell. And today we're talking about how to tackle those curry smells that can sometimes hang around in a new home. I know firsthand how important it is to create a space that feels warm, inviting, and truly yours. It's about making your house a home. So let's roll up our sleeves and get started on creating a fresh start in your new space. First things first, we're going to give this house a good old deep clean. Think of it as a fresh start. We're not just talking about a quick sweep and mop. We're going all in. Start with those surfaces. Your countertops, your stovetop, even those cabinets, they can all hold on to smells. A simple mixture of vinegar and water can work wonders. It's natural, it's effective, and it just smells clean. Now don't forget about those curtains, y'all. Fabric loves to soak up smells, so give those a good wash too. We're aiming for that squeaky clean feeling. There's nothing quite like fresh air to clear out a room. Open up those windows, let the sun shine in, and get that air circulating. Sometimes all it takes is a little breeze to make a world of difference. If you want to give things an extra boost, grab a few fans and strategically place them around the house. Point them towards the windows to help pull that fresh air in and push those stale odors out. It's amazing what a difference good ventilation can make. It's like hitting the reset button on your home's atmosphere. Now, if you're serious about tackling those lingering smells, an air purifier is your new best friend. Look for one with a HEPA filter that's going to capture those tiny odor particles floating around. And if you really want to go the extra mile, find one with activated carbon. It acts like a magnet for odors, trapping them and neutralizing those unwanted smells. Place it in the heart of your home and let it work its magic. You'll be amazed at the difference it can make. It's like giving your home a breath of fresh air 24/7. You know, I love those tried and true home remedies, and baking soda is a classic for a reason. It's like a magic powder when it comes to absorbing odors. Grab a few bowls, fill them up with baking soda, and place them strategically around your house. You can even sprinkle some on your carpets before vacuuming. It'll help neutralize those odors hiding deep down in the fibers. It's simple, it's affordable, and it really works. Now that we've tackled those lingering smells, it's time to infuse your home with scents you love. Essential oils are perfect for this. Think lavender for a sense of calm, citrus for a burst of energy, or maybe even a warm vanilla. A few drops in a diffuser can transform the entire atmosphere of your home. You can also light some candles or use air fresheners, but I always gravitate towards those natural options. It's amazing how scent can create such a welcoming and cozy ambience. Now, I know some smells can be a bit more stubborn. If you've tried everything and you're still battling those lingering odors, it might be time to call in the professionals. There are some amazing cleaning services out there that specialize in odor removal. They've got the tools and the expertise to tackle even the toughest smells. Sometimes it's worth it to leave it to the experts. You know, I love a good paint transformation. Sometimes those smells can really seep into the walls. If that's the case, a fresh coat of paint can work wonders. Use a high-quality primer first. It'll help seal in any lingering odors. Then choose a paint color that brings life and freshness into your space. It's amazing how a little paint can completely transform a room and give it a whole new beginning. Now, if you've got carpets in your new home and they've seen better days, it might be time to consider replacing them. Carpets can trap odors like nobody's business, and sometimes a fresh start is the best solution. Plus, new carpets can completely change the look and feel of a room. It's like giving your floors a makeover. So there you have it, y'all. A few simple tips and tricks to tackle those curry smells and create a fresh, inviting atmosphere in your new home. Remember, it's all about making your house a home, a place where you feel comfortable, relaxed, and ready to make memories. Moving into a new home is such an exciting time, and those first impressions really matter. By taking the time to tackle those lingering smells, You're setting the stage for a fresh start and a home that truly feels like yours. By following these steps, you should be able to significantly reduce or eliminate any lingering curry smells over time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more home improvement tips.